How to change display theme in Stocktwits. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are in Stocktwits and wondering how to give your app a fresh look, whether you prefer a light theme or the dark theme, here's how you can easily switch between them. First things first, open the Stocktwits application on your device and log into your account. On the home page, go to the top left and tap the menu button, and then from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Display. Under Display, you can go ahead and choose the light mode or the dark mode at the top of the screen. If you select dark, then your interface will immediately change to a dark color. Just select your preferred theme and you'll see the app instantly switch to your selected look. That's it. Your Stocktwits is now personalized to your style. You can switch back anytime if you change your mind. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.